Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're diving into the OnePlus Nord CE4, a mid-range smartphone that promises a solid core experience. OnePlus has been closing the gap between the CE and non-CE Nord models over the years, and this latest release has some intriguing updates. If you want more information about this smartphone, check out the link in the description below. Now let's start the video. First up, the design. The Nord CE4 comes in two colors, dark chrome, with a glossy gray finish, and Celadon marble, a mint green that we have here. The Celadon marble looks stunning with its marble-like texture and bright color, though it does attract fingerprints quickly. The curved edges and glossy polycarbonate back feel fresh and new, especially with the unique capsule-shaped camera module that appears like a water droplet with floating camera lenses. The frame is made of polycarbonate as well, with beveled edges and flat sides. It's comfortable to hold, but can poke into your palm a bit. Thankfully, OnePlus includes a premium-feeling TPU cover in the box. The phone is durable too, with an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, meaning it can handle splashes. Now, let's talk about the display. The 6.7-inch AMOLED screen is gorgeous with skinny bezels, a 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 certification. It's bright enough for direct sunlight and shows vibrant colors in natural mode. Plus, the always-on display and in-display fingerprint reader are handy features, though the screen is a smudge magnet. Under the hood, the Nord CE4 packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and up to 256 GB of storage. It's efficient and handles multitasking smoothly. You get dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, USB Type-C, and support for multiple 5G bands. The hybrid SIM slot allows for 2 nano SIMs, or 1 SIM and a micro SD card for up to 1 TB of additional storage. Battery life is a standout feature. The 5,500 mAh battery gives you about a day and a half of usage with casual use, and even with heavy use, it lasts a full day. The 100W fast charger is incredible, fully charging the phone in just 39 minutes. The software experience is solid too. Running on Oxygen OS 14 based on Android 14, it's smooth and customizable with minimal bloatware. You get 2 years of software updates and 3 years of security updates, which is pretty good. When it comes to performance, the Nord CE4 handles daily tasks and casual gaming well. It's scored impressively on benchmarks, though it's not the best for heavy gaming compared to some competitors like the Poco X6 Pro. Games like Call of Duty, Mobile, and Asphalt 9. Legends run smoothly, but with some limitations in touch response during fast action. The camera setup includes a new 50-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 16-megapixel selfie camera. The primary camera takes vibrant photos with good dynamic range, but the 2x digital zoom and low-light performance could be better. The ultra-wide camera is decent in good light but struggles in low light. Selfies are fine in daylight but need the flash in low light for decent results. Video recording is okay, with 1080p footage stabilizing better than 4K, but 4K offers more detail. Is the OnePlus Nord CE4 worth it? For excellent battery life and fast charging in a mid-range phone, yes. However, if you want better camera performance or superior gaming, consider alternatives like the Poco X6 Pro or Motorola Edge 40. And this is the review of OnePlus Nord CE4. If you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.